What's up, y'all? We got another custom for you. This time we'll be customizing a pair of Nike Air Force 1s. So the first thing you want to do is take out the laces in your shoes and prime them. To do that, you want to get your acetone and your cotton balls and start scrubbing on the panels you're going to be painting on. Now you want to get your tape and start taping off the areas you don't want to get the paint on. You can use an X-Acto knife to cut out the tape that's on the areas you are painting. First paint we start with is the burgundy. You want to apply 3 to 4 coats of the paint on your shoe to get that real deep and solid color. The second color we're using is the gray. You just repeat the same process you did with the first.
Wow, deputy.
The third color is the metallic gold. With this paint, it's so light, you have to use a lot more coats than a normal paint. I used at least 6 to 7 coats on here to get that good solid gold. for the Nike check and air, I'm using a micro detail brush. You want to clean up and add paints to the areas you missed so you can give it that more factory look. Now we're going to add a freehand drip effect to our check. With a micro detail brush, we're going to outline the drip effect with the paint of our choosing. And then just fill it in.
Get that bag, get through.
Now for the sock lining, you want to get the paint of your choice and too soft. Put them in a container in a 1-to-1 ratio. When applying your sock lining coats, you want to make sure you put multiple coats on there so you won't miss any white areas. I forgot to show it in the video, but at the end of your sock lining coats, you want to dry it in between with a heat gun set to 350 degrees.
Ta-da!
And to top it off, we're going to use the matte finisher to seal and protect our paint. Now it's time for the finished product.
These nuts. Got him!
Now it's time for the finish. Check the description for more information, and I'll see y'all next time.